Namaste. Good morning, children. I hope everyone is doing good. I know that we all are affected by this pandemic, but let us hope for the better days to come. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever fallen sick?
Yes.
So, then what will your parents will do? We immediately okay, fever reducing pill like paracetamol or aspirin, isn't it? So, in today's video, I will show preparation of our own tablet, which is called aspirin. Okay, before moving into the preparation of aspirin, let us learn some information about aspirin. Aspirin is a drug. It is widely used in the treatment of all kinds of aches, pains and illnesses. Next, aspirin is first discovered by Edward Stone and later synthesized by Hoffman and Bayer in lab. Aspirin is white in color and crystalline solid. Aspirin is one of the first medicines synthesized manually in the lab. Ancient Egyptians once tasted the bark of willow tree and miraculously they healed of their body pains. This word got spread out and the medicinal power of willow bark caught attention for some researchers. Later, Hoffman and Bayer synthesized aspirin from the bark of willow tree. They discovered the presence of salicin, the ingredient which is having the healing property. Now, let us move on to the preparation of aspirin. For this preparation, the chemicals required are salicylic acid, acetic anhydride and concentrated H2SO4. And the apparatus used are measuring jar, funnel, spatula, glass rod, conical flask, beaker and water bath. Now, moving to the procedure, let me take a conical flask. Now, let me weigh 5 grams of salicylic acid using weighing balance. Okay, children, using spatula, I am weighing 5 grams of salicylic acid. You can see readings here now?
Yes, ma'am.
This is electrical balance. By using this, we are weighing 5 grams of salicylic acid. Okay, is it showing 5 grams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me pour this 5 grams of salicylic acid into conical flask. Now, next using measuring jar, let me measure 7.5 ml of acetic anhydride. This is acetic anhydride. Let me weigh 7.5 ml of acetic anhydride. Can you observe 7.5 ml?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me pour this into conical flask. Now gently shake the solution. Now let me add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4 using dropper. It is dropper. Add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Now using glass rod, I am stirring the contents.
It's fine.
Now let us place the conical flask on water bathing for keeping for about 10 to 20 minutes. Using thermometer, check the temperature. It should be between 50 to 60 degrees. Okay. Now let me remove the conical flask from the water bath. Cool for some time. Now I will take copper bath, pour some distilled water, let me place this conical flask on water bath. Let it cool for some time. Next we will take a beaker containing 100 grams of ice. I think it is cool. Now I am pouring this liquid into this ice. Now using glass rod, stir the contents. Now let me take funnel. It is lined with filter paper. Okay, these are the filter papers. I lined with the filter paper. This is funnel. Now place this funnel on another conical flask. Now let me gently pour the contents into this funnel. Children, can you observe anything on the filter paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name the substance present on the filter paper?
Yes, ma'am. It is residue.
Okay, it is residue. Very good. Now let the residue dry for some time.
Ma'am, why we are mixing with the distilled water?
Good question. To remove the impurities. If any impurities are there, they are washed off. Now let the residue dry for some time. Now using spatula, I am collecting the residue. So it is our residue, which is nothing but our aspirin. This is our powder form of aspirin. Through granulation process, this powder form of aspirin is converted into tablets. These tablets are available in the market.
Ma'am, shall I try this?
Yes, you can.
Thanks.
This spatula weigh 5 grams of salicylic acid. Now weigh 5 grams of salicylic acid using electrical balance. Five grams. Place on conical glass. I'm using measuring jar. Let me measure 7.5 ml of acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride into conical glass. Now shake the solution. Shake the solution. Slowly. Hold the drop. Slowly add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO. Yes. 6 steady solution. Now gently stir the solution using glass bottle. Using thermometer, let me check the temperature. Can you see? It is 50 to 60 degrees. Now let us remove the conical flask from the water box. Stir the contents. Scrap the substance. Now pour in the conical flask. Wait. Using glass rod. it is our residue, which is nothing but our aspirin. So children, this is how we prepared aspirin in our lab. Okay. Now let us see uses of aspirin. It is used in the treatment of dandruff. It is used in the treatment of acne and pimples, and it is used in the prevention of heart attack and strokes. It acts as anti-inflammatory agent, and it also acts as blood thinner. So I hope everyone enjoyed this experiment. I choose aspirin because it is considered as one of the miracle drugs of 10 out of the world. See disadvantages of aspirin. It induces cancer, and it is highly risky in people who are suffering with bleeding disorder. So children, I advise you all to enter the field of chemistry, and as it is, chemistry is important in everyday life, and unravel the mysteries of science and technology. Thank you.